Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Steve. Today we're going to tackle replacing the windshield wiper blades on this 2006 Toyota Camry. This car has a J-arm that holds the wipers into place, which makes it actually reasonably simple to do. And so we're going to show you though three different things here. We're going to show you how this old Michelin blade comes off and a new Michelin blade which uses a slightly different technique, and then a Rain-X blade that also uses a slightly different technique. And luckily all three of these things is something that even I can do. Alright, so real quick before we start demonstrating the installation and removal of these blades, keep in mind that the arms on these cars, it's spring loaded, so if you were to let go while you have it up, it could swing back rapidly on your glass, could scratch it or maybe even crack it, so be careful about that. Number two, you're going to make sure that you get the right sizes of blades. So this car takes a 19-inch blade on the passenger side and a 24-inch blade on the driver's side. But every car is different, so when you go to buy these, if you go to Amazon, they have a great tool on there called Amazon SureFit, and that will help you get the right sizes. So, or you can measure them before you buy them. But make sure you get the right size, otherwise the blades will not swing properly. Okay, so the first one we're going to deal with is the Michelin Guardian. This is version 1. It has a top lock on it. So in order to remove this one, the first thing you need to do is release the lock. So to do that, you're going to flange out the front end here, and just so that it's pulled apart, and then a little rock on like a hinge. So once it's like this, then you should be able to just slide the arm off, just like that. Now, what we found was that after the arm had been on there for a long time without being changed out, that it was quite stuck and very difficult to pull off. So to resolve that, I just took a screwdriver, went underneath, and right between where the two pieces meet, just stick the screwdriver in there and do a quick turn to the left and free it just enough so that it can now pull away. And there we have it. To put it back on, you need to make sure that the lock is open. If it's closed, it's the same thing. You're going to flange it open just like this, and then you will put the J-arm over the top here and pull towards you, and then close the lock. Alright, so that's the Michelin Guardian version 1. Now they've changed the design. We'll talk about that next. Alright, next let's do our Michelin Guardian. This is the new version from Costco. So this is just going to slide on the same way with the J-arm here, and just pull it towards you. You might hear it snap, you might not. It's just very subtle. But once it's pulled sufficiently, it will no longer go back the other way. Now, if you want to remove one of these, then you have to go over here and you'll see it says press. There's a little lever inside here. You're going to push that down. And once it's pushed down sufficiently, the blade just basically comes away very easily. Alright, so that's the way to put it on and off. So let's put it back on. And it's locked into place. And you might see on the blade these little white tabs. Make sure you remove those before you put the windshield wipers into operation. And so that's that one. Alright, next let's do the Rain-X. Now this is actually my preferred blade, but they are a little bit more money, but they do seem to last longer. They have that special coating on them to help get the water off the windows. Alright, now so to open this one, again it's a little bit different. Probably need a quarter, or I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. There's this little door here. Just going to move your flathead in there and pop that open so that it swings open. And then that's where the J-arm is going to go. So we're going to take our arm and pull this over, pull again towards you, and you should hear a little bit of a click. It won't be very much. And then once you get that to clear where this is going to pop in, this should close. Now to close this, you have to push on these three little lines right here. If you push anywhere else, for some reason it just doesn't close. So there it is, and then that will definitely snap when you push it in. So that's now attached in firm condition. Alright, to remove the Rain-X, it's just the same thing in reverse. So you're going to pop open the little door, and once you do that, it should just slide right away. So it's going to be away from you, and you're just going to very gently push that away, and there it is. Now be careful, don't let that go down too fast on your glass. It could scratch it or damage it. All right, so that's take that off. Let's put it back on. Slide it in, push on the 3 lines, should snap, and there we are. Now also, by the way, this yellow piece, that needs to come off. That's just protecting the blade during transit. And so there you go, that one is now installed. Okay, so the last one we're going to talk about is also a Rain-X. It's the Endura, and it's made out of silicone. So it's designed to last a lot longer. They claim twice as long, but it is also quite a bit more expensive. So keep that in mind if you're considering this one. The Latitude, quite a bit less. I still recommend that one based on the price. Overall, I think I would go with this one. You might get more mileage out of this one, but you're going to pay a little extra. It goes on and off very similarly to the Latitude. Has the same like little door here, so when it's closed it's locked, when it's open it's ready to be released. So grab your J-arm and you're going to slide this in here just like we did before, and you have to wait until you hear it snap, and you got to pull it strong towards you. If you don't pull it far enough, the door won't close, so that's how you know you've done it right. So I pulled it all the way through, and then the door just snaps on there and it's going to be secure at that point. To remove it, same thing. Pop that door open, pull the arm away from you, and it is now off. So there you go, on and off. Let's put it back on, close the door, and we are ready to go on this one. Okay, so we demonstrated on a 2006 Toyota Camry XLE, but really the principles that we talked about will work on any car that has one of these windshield wipers with a J bracket. So here you go, J bracket, J bracket. This is a 2016 Toyota Camry. This is a 2017 Honda Accord. So let's say, for example, you take your Rain-X blade, your J bracket, slide that in there, make sure it's pulled all the way, close the little door, replaced. This one, same thing, slide it in. You got to make sure you pull it all the way forward, hear that snap, close the door. And don't forget to remove your yellow protective thing here, and that one is done. Just that simple. Okay, so that is all we have for today. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and so forth. Use those Amazon links, of course. And remember, make sure you buy the right length. But these cars all varied in length, so we had to make sure we got the right ones. Use the Amazon feature to enter your car information, and it'll tell you if you got the right one or not. All right, until next time, this has been Steve for things that even I can do.